Hello little scientist and welcome to Alan IntelliBrain. You all must have seen the melting of ice into water. But have you ever seen the melting of thermocol? Let us perform this activity and visualize the melting of thermocol. From the IntelliSmart box, take out the physical and chemical changes activity kit. From the kit, take out the acetone bottle, the thermocol pieces, gloves and petri dish. Let us first wear the gloves. Now open the acetone bottle and pour out enough acetone to fill 3/4 of the petri dish, like this. Handle with care and do not consume any material. Now take the thermocol piece and start dipping the thermocol in acetone by slowly pushing it downwards, like this. Continue dipping the thermocol and observe what happens. Can you see the thermocol has started vanishing? The thermocol will completely vanish, leaving behind its residue in the petri dish. Thermocol is made up of polystyrene and most of its space is occupied by air. When the polystyrene melts in acetone, it loses its structure completely and also lets go of the long chain of molecules. Also, the air trapped between the polystyrene molecules is released. This leads to the sudden decrease in the volume of the thermocol and a dense plastic-like residue is left. When the thermocol vanishes, it actually lets out the air trapped between its molecules and turns it into a residue. Since no new substance is formed, it is an example of a physical change and not a chemical change. Visualize science with IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.